I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video on my welding. Stacking these up, need to build them up to a 1/2 inch, so I got my ugly roots in there. Company I work for does not let me prep the metal how I should, clean the rust, bevel. I'm preheating it, but my hands are really tied at this place just because of what limited environmental safety stuff that they have here to protect the other departments from like the rust clouds and everything else. So this is what I'm running at, 32.1. That's my wire feed. It's Delta Wave, Delta Weld 452. Max amps is 450. So I'll show you guys. Got my first pass going in there. Looks kind of ugly, but haven't cleaned it up yet. So my second pass is just going to go right on top of that one, in that, basically going to make that a 45 right in there from the peak of that weld to the base of that. So my toes are going to be up here, and then my second toe is going to be at the peak of that, and I should have a pretty good throat. I don't know, from out there, well, you guys can't really even see what I'm pointing at, but just did the back, built out the bottoms. And then I'll show you guys here. Kind of clean those up. Looks like spray transfer when you get real close to it. Okay. Right. And I'll show you guys what I'm working with, my setup. America, America, America. Welder way. These are welding goggles right here. These are awesome for really tight confined spaces. See what happens when you don't wear a helmet. It's wearing a helmet now. Okay. Blueprint rated for welders. Da-da-da-da. Big boss. Alright, just kind of show you guys. Big clamps. Bars, I use these. These are precisionally ground. So let's see what we got here. Yeah, 5/8 by something. Oh, 5/8 by a 1/2 inch. So right here, from this face to that face, it was a 1/2 inch in. Oh, fucking bitch. Don't touch hot metal. Hurts. But anyway, what I do is I just pretty much put the bar there, put the magnets on, slide my part up to my stock bar. That way I know I'm exact a 1/2 inch out. Maybe, a couple thousandths, give or take, one way or the other. So let me. I don't really have a good way to set this up and like kind of watch what I'm doing. So pretty much. Let me clean this up. Some other small guys I did the other day. Oh, come on. Even that one looks pretty good. I don't know, it looks better in person than it does on the freaking camera, but you can see my root is in there, and then this is from the toe to the toe. Man, this is really hard to freaking point. I need a pointer. Okay, so the corner is my pointer right there. The rusted up end. So you can see root. It's kind of in there. It goes from that wall to about there. And then here's my second pass from there to out there. And third pass is going to go from wall to crown. Wall to crown. Wall to crown. And that's going to give me my half-inch bead all the way across. So I'll go ahead and kind of start here. I wish I kind of started here and then went that way so I could tie in, but I don't know. I'll probably just grind that down and tie into it at that point, because it'll just be a hump if I just try to go into it. So, alright, let me try to find a place to prop. This is just, you know, you guys can hear what my welder sounds like. Smoke that's going to come out. I don't know. Make sure. Yeah, we should be good. Alright. I'm going to start right here. And just go to maybe, that ain't gonna work. Start right here. Go to maybe, right there looks good. Holding the gun off to the side, because this right here was catching when I was right here. And you don't want that. You don't want to be pulling and then it just releases and you're just like, oh fuck, I just, you know, welded the something, you weld your cat to the wall or something. You're not supposed to do that. All right. Hold on a second here. I kind of show you, had a little boo-boo, so I kind of got rid of it. So, redo. It happens. It happens to all of us. It happens. It usually happens, fuck-ups happen when you're trying to like demo your skill or some shit. You're just like, hey guys, look how good I am, and then, nope, don't look at that. Don't look at that. So, alright. Alright. Don't judge me, I ain't perfect. So, there's that. Get a little wire brushing. Alright, well, I wish I kind of stayed on the same track as that guy, but there's a little bump I was talking about. You can see I started here, went for a period, stopped, started again, bump, went for a period, that's my uh-oh, so got rid of that, stopped, started, and then went. You can see I wasn't recording myself. No issues. And here I am recording. It's like, oh, fuck. Fucking stupid. But, oh well. Do another one later. Saturday. Kind of rushing, so. Let's see, what time is it on a Saturday? Saying 10:15. Got that little clock at Walmart. It's actually 3 different clocks. Came as one. There's screws holding them together, and you can set them to each different times. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Don't judge. No one's perfect. Just showing you where I'm at in my stage of life in welding. So. Alright. Oh. Here's a question for anybody. Stick welders. This is a 1/4 inch. Let you read. 9018. 90,000 tensile strength. 1 any position. 8 slag composition. This will not go up. I can do 16th, an 8th. 3/16. Walk those right up the wall, no issues, fight gravity every freaking way, but this guy will not go. If anyone at all, you want to pick up this rod and just try to walk it up a wall, if you can, if you know how to walk. Kind of pull the box out here so you guys can see. Okay, so yeah, if anyone got some free cash, free time, go out and buy those rods. Kind of tag me in your video, you burning it and showing me up, because I can't. I even brought it to my weld instructor. Had him load it up in the machine and tried. Nope. Guy's nuke certified, welded on torpedoes, stealthcraft. I mean, he got into nuke plant welding at 18. And I mean, this guy produces weld porn. It's just unbelievable. But he couldn't walk it up the wall. I was sitting there laughing at him. I mean, I couldn't do any better, but it was just funny. So, alright. Yep, that's it. Kind of showing you around the shop here. Rest of the blocks for the next shit. Some shields I gotta tack and weld together. This is the bridge. That's the next big one coming. And after that, I'm done. Looking for a new job. They're out of work here. Shut them down. So, anyone needs a experienced fit-up welder, that's, you know, worth a damn at least. Now, this is the machining print, but that's what it's gonna look like when I'm done with it. That guy is actually gonna sit on top of that thing. And that's why I'm building up 1/2 inch welds to support all the weight. I gotta weld 3 times flat, pick this thing up, flip it on its back, weld all those flat, pick it up, roll to its side, weld all those flat, pick it up, other side, weld all those flat 3 times. So it's gonna take a while, that's for sure. Definitely won't be finished with this within a week, but probably 3 weeks, maybe a month. Alright, well, that's it. It's my office, my desk.